Welcome. I'm a reptilian. My name is Rall. It was requested for Rall to speak, and he will. We have him under custody. You can say we have attained him because he was causing trouble to some Reptillian beings. We are some kind of a police force, you can say, in the galactic universe. We can travel between dimensions, seeking out those which cause a little bit of trouble. We are a different species than Rall. I will set you over to Rall now. There you are. Welcome again. Yes, I got a little attained for my troublesome affairs. We were pirating some Cassipian which traded with another species called Rall. But under my raid I got caught by a little. So, well, and I just take it easy here, just relax and speculate and do some diplomacy with this reptilian race. So, we do respect their police force activities, but what can you say? I do not think I'm going to sit here for a very long time. Sorry about that. This one is scratching, or someone is scratching him, fooling around a little bit. Well, humanity, what a pickle you have caught yourself into. What are you doing? This virus which has been unleashed on you, it seems to come from some underground installation. It has been planned for a long time. It's kind of a desperate move from desperate souls, you can say. We don't mind. We just watch you like a television program. You are entertainment for us. Many care of you, of course. We do also care about you, but you have free will to do whatever you like. And look what you have done to yourself and your earth. And we are not proud over you. We have some of our DNA in you. We have some of our genetics. But some of your kind is playing games, mind games with you, and tricks. some of our race has also been involved. I myself do things my way. I do it my way. So, how are you going to get out of this shit, you can say? Well, you have to take other choices, think differently, cooperate, and stand together against the tyranny and the sociopaths, which do not really care about you. They are dark souls. They care only about themselves and how much money they can get. But you know, money is your biggest illusion. There really ain't anything called money, only in your fucking head. What's the real value is to your earth, your nature, and love between yourself and your kind. This has also been, of course, manipulated and misused among our people too. The draconians has always been aggressors and rulers, but some of us has broken free. I myself are a pirate, but I do also have a heart. I do care to some degree about humanity. Now I am attained. I am sitting here doing stuff, educating myself, tapping into Akashic records, and also watching the universal screen for history and also for knowledge. They know they cannot keep me here. If I do not want to be here of my free will, I can teleport out of here whenever I want. But just to have something else to do, or to respect their police force, I'm staying here for a little while, entertaining you through this one. Yes, this one is quite unique, and you know it now. Some of you think he's going nuts. Well, he ain't. He's trying to help you raise in frequency, trying to help you understand that there are more races out in the universe. You have just forgotten who you really are for your experience here on Earth. Yes, isn't it fun to be human, to forget who you are, and then rediscover yourself again? Oh yes, that's how it's done. That is how you grow and expand. Every one of you, even us, but we do understand a little bit more than you in your forgetting state. You could say, you have been many things, lived many lives, been many different races, all of you. But here is the pinnacle of mastery, to re-educate yourself, to remember who you are, and then turn everything around to a positive, affirmative, loving state. Fourth density, fifth density is at your threshold. It's coming very fast now. And the virus, it's a catalyst to make you take other choices, to reunite you, and to make you understand that you all are in the same boat. So, you get this perspective, you may see or understand, or maybe look at me as a gangster, a pirate, one who doesn't care, but I do care. I just enjoy my life and what I am. I don't wish to harm anybody, because I do also see things from a higher perspective. I'm not rowing a boat with a musketeer or a sable wanted to cut someone's heads off. I just want to take stuff from others which I are, that I am demanding. Demand often makes you react, makes you take action, makes you go on a prowl to find whatever your ego desires. And that's what you are here for, your ego. Look, isn't it you and you and I and you and you and you and always you, which is in the front seat. You wanted to have it your way. You're happy when you have it your way, aren't you? Well, we are too. But now we have to become happy together. You have to become one race, respecting each other and loving each other and standing the ground together, not listening to psychopaths or sociopaths which just want to use you or burn the world. You're being denied so much because you can't see everything from our perspective. I can travel around in my ship, see different stuff, planets, galaxies. You can deny these things while they play their theatrical rocket show for you, which is the most bullshit madness going on the planet right now. They have technology which you have only seen in your sci-fi movies. Yes, I'm getting tired of this place. I'm going to leave. I have left. I'm back on my ship. I have a mission to perform. I'm going to check out some comets which have entered a solar system and see if there is anything I can raid around those comets, because comets often attract visitors. I also have some askings if I can check their trajectories and report back. Thank you for this opportunity. May common sense guide you. Goodbye. Oh shit. Wow. Crazy motherfucker.